Welcome to Reshaping Sales and Marketing, Cutting Through the Noise. So the question is, how do you cut through the noise of marketing communication when your average customer is encountering 2,904 media messages per day? It's said that your customer will remember 2 to 4 media messages per day. First, we have to take a look at the business problem. You're looking at over 450 direct marketing pieces. Some of the best photographers, some of the best copywriters, and some of the best graphic people have designed these direct marketing pieces. Yet, these marketing pieces underperformed. So the question is, how do you cut through the noise to engage your customers more effectively and increase your marketing ROI? Today, we're going to explore ways of integrating relevant communications across multiple media to increase your marketing effectiveness. Sugarbush Media Solutions helps marketers better quantify and measure the value of their marketing programs. We leverage relevant marketing, process automation, and multiple media to deliver innovative marketing programs designed to drive better results. My name is Mark Parent. To learn more about us, visit us on the web at sugarbushms.com. Thank you.